na ba si Mr. Right?
Since the allegation
It's also point
that
of
enjoys
order.
the highest
Mayor.
hierarchy among all the
What is
motions.
the relevancy of this speech?
No.
to the determination of sufficiency in form?
Madam Chair. Ako, bakit naman yung aking kaibigan, naggagalaiti ka agad at concern na concern? Let's allow them if they want to recuse.
Honorable Santay.
Well, Madam Chair, after hearing all the endorsers of the impeachment complaint, sangayon naman ako sa kanila dahil ang mga sinabi nga natin mga endorsers, there has been allegations now of misuse of hundreds of millions of public funds. Merong mga sworn affidavits, merong mga allegations na binitawan, merong usapin regarding betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Congresswoman Renico, hindi dapat tayo matakot ungkatin ang katotohanan. At kagaya ng sinabi ng aking kaibigan, si Pastor Benny Abante, public office is a public trust. We should proceed with fairness and without fear. Bottom line, we have to be impartial. That's why I would like to raise this. In the light of serious allegations contained in a joint affidavit issued last February 23, that has been reportedly transmitted to the Office of the Ombudsman, there have been allegations that some members of Congress nakatanggap ng envelope, nakatanggap ng maleta, ito'y naibigay, kung hindi sa opisina, sa townhouse. No, let me finish.
There's
You
a
will
point
have your
of
turn
order,
because
the
this is
Honorable
bearing.
Santay.
This is not an allusion
Order.
to prejudge the veracity of the allegations.
Honorable Santay, there is a point of order.
This is also a
And
point
that
of order.
enjoys the
Madam
highest
Chair.
hierarchy
Of,
among all the
what is
motions.
the relevancy of this speech?
No.
to the determination of sufficiency in form?
Madam Chair, this is very relevant because we are
Please, Honorable Santay, please wait until he finishes with his point of order. The Honorable Terry Ridon is recognized. Kindly use a microphone which is okay.
Madam Chair, the speech of our distinguished colleague is absolutely relevant to the question of sufficiency of form and substance in the matter, and more importantly, my understanding of what he's stating today is that he is probably accusing members of Congress, members of the House Committee on Justice, as receiving payments for the implementation of our mandate in the impeachment proceedings. So, which is which, Madam Chair? So I think his speech is out of order, and this should be decided promptly by the committee.
Okay, we heard the basis of the point of order of the Honorable Terry Ridon. Now we shall hear the answer of the Honorable Suntay.
Yes, Madam Chair. Ang problema sa
Kindly
kaibigan ko,
justify the relevance of your
He is
statement to the
jumping the
current
gun.
impeachment proceedings.
he is jumping the gun. This is actually relevant not only in the determination of form and substance. This is relevant in the impartiality, in determining the impartiality of this hearing, which is very important. Madam Chair, this is not an accusation. Kaya nga, kung hinintay lang ako patapusin, ewan ko, bakit naman yung aking kaibigan, naggagalaiti ka agad at concern na concern. You know, if we have nothing to fear, then we just listen. If we are not being alluded, why are we so guilty? So let me finish. The issue here is not to prejudge the veracity of the allegation. However, given the gravity of the claims and the potential impact on the credibility of the committee's proceeding, ang gusto ko maging malinaw lang po, hindi ko hinuhusgahan yung aking mga kasamahan o ipagpalagay na totoo ang mga aligasyon. Hindi rin po ito personal na laban sa sino man sa inyo. Sa katunayan, ang layunin ko ay kabaligtaran upang protektahan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Mabigyan, kasi may listahan na nilalabas eh. Ang gusto ko po sa ganitong pagkakataon, Madam Chair, naniniwala ako na mas mabuti na tayo mismo ang magharap at maglinaw ng issue. Kaya kaysa maging bulong-bulungan pa ito. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon bawat membro ng committee. Pagkakataon mismo na mag-assess ng kanilang sitwasyon or if they can be an impartial member of this committee. Yun lang. Kung sa tingin nila, they can be an impartial, then let's proceed. However, if they think that baka pagdudahan sila at pagdudahan yung lalabas dito na resulta, then let's allow them if they want to recuse. If
Honorable Suntay, with all due respect, unless all your manifestations have complete relevance to the current impeachment proceedings, you're enjoined by the chair to proceeding to your manifestation.
That's why, Madam Chair,
So ordered.
Madam Chair, my point is just to, if
Honorable
you could,
Suntay, you are enjoined already by the chair to cease from making manifestations which are totally irrelevant to our current proceedings.
okay, thank you, Madam Chair, but as I
Thank
mentioned,
you.
this goes to the impartiality of the committee.
You are
Thank you
assured
very
of the impartiality of the Justice Committee. We will be suspending for 2 minutes to fix all the microphone.
Madam
The
Chair.
Honorable Diaz-Guerin.
Madam Chair, prior to proceeding with the indulgence of the members of this committee, since the allegations were baseless and not contained in an affidavit, and this is the subject of an impeachment complaint totally unrelated to what was mentioned, may I move that the words and the allegations as contained for congressmen getting money in the office and being delivered in the townhouses be stricken off the records. So moved, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay with respect to the money taken or received in relation to the
Basically, Madam Chair, the statements, the allegation mentioned by Congressman, or my good friend, my very good friend, Congressman Suntay,
you are good friend to each other.
Very, Madam Chair.
Very much, Madam Chair. So,
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about the money taken or received allegedly by the members of the House. Is there a
Madam Chair.
second? The same has been seconded. Is
Madam
there any
Chair.
objection?
Madam Chair,
Are you-
Madam Chair, I have no objection considering it has been published.
The Honorable Marcoleta, are you objecting?
no, ma'am. In fact, I'm appealing to
Let us resolve first the motion.
reinstate the.
So you are objecting.
No, I'm appealing to reinstate the remarks earlier made by.
The motion
Honorable
is
Suntay.
still pending. It's not yet resolved. If there are no objection,
Cannot object.
then the chair approves the motions to strike off from the record the manifestation about the money allegedly received by the House members from the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay. So ruled.